If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Alright folks, mail call today, and this one is from Lisa, and she is from
Nashua, New Hampshire.
Alright, thank you. So finally getting to it. I know it takes me a while to get myself motivated, but eventually I'll get there. So, what do you think it is, Jake? I think it's a... Oh, look at this. Is this cool or not? Look at that.
Oh, neat.
That is super duper neat. Okay, bub, I'll put you right here and give you a lot of kisses. Okay, folks, that's it for today. I'll be back later. Be cool like your school. Later.